Well, hello there, y'all, from Aloha Acres, where winter has returned. We've had freezing rain. I think they call it frozen mix. So we have snow, and now we had hail, not hail, but little ice balls, frozen rain, I guess. Earlier had freezing rain, and now we have icicles hanging off the roofs. I'm coming over to check out the greenhouse and also doing a training session with my dog at the same time. It's the first time she's been left in the house by herself in some time. So I'm sure she'll be on the couch. We'll see. All right, you get to see the amount of snow or hail, and look how it all hits the sides here. That's what I came to find out, how much is hanging on the edges here. And you can see it all on the edge here, so it's hitting the side and it's coming down, which that's perfect. We want it to come off. We don't want to build up a lot of weight on this plastic. Got icicles hanging off of there. Gotta open the door by breaking the ice. Hopefully we don't get stuck in there. Oh, that door is heavy. That door is heavy compared to... Now, interesting, it's 40 degrees in here. It's still warmer than, way warmer than outside. So we've been getting some water. There's water in the trench. And this is definitely heavy, but it's soft enough that I'm hoping it's, I don't know if hitting it with a broom would make a difference. Let's see up here, that's what I'm worried about. It builds up. I guess it wouldn't hurt to knock some of this down. All right, guys, I found myself a job. Maybe I'll go get my push broom. I think the king is gonna spend a little time knocking some ice off the top of this greenhouse, so better safe than sorry. Love y'all.